If you have bad knees or knees that need a little bit of assistance, here's what I suggest to, one, blast your quads, but also it's a good move to actually protect your knees at the same time. So this is a super band. It's maybe a medium black band for resistance. So the goal is, you can do this with weight or without weight. They have weights back here, probably won't need them. The goal is basically make sure it's right where the knee bends, right behind the knee. And chest should be nice and tall, facing out this way, never folded like this. But make sure you got enough resistance so it feels like pulling your knees a little bit forward. And then drop into your squat. And this will really help isolate the quad, but also keep the knee where it needs to be. Feel like a little bit of assistance. And again, I'm still going to use the tempo. 5 counts up, 5 counts back down. And I'm going to drop in just like that. And then breathe on the way up. I'm not trying to lock out the knees though like this. Some therapists have you pull back on the knees and kind of lock them in. I'm really trying to work the quads. So I'm dropping in like this. And I'm going to slowly come up without using any inertia. I'm going to come up like this and then breathe back down into it again. I'm really trying to blast those quads as much as possible without using a whole lot of weight or any weight at all in this case. Just like that. So I usually try to get at least 8 to 12 of those, or max effort. Max effort means when I get to the point I can no longer get what they call positive failure. So I get to positive failure, I can't go from down to up. That's my positive failure. I'm trying to get to that point in every exercise I do. Squats, lunges. Another quick one, you can do 2. If you want to really just kind of isolate one leg. I'm all about efficiency, so I don't really like to do a lot of one-legged stuff, but occasionally I will throw them in there. And this is a lunge done the same way. Now, knowing what I would do, I would have something to hold on to over here, like some kind of a bar, something I can hold on to kind of keep it, have to stabilize to my core. Again, I'm not trying to get the core to actually work in this exercise. I want to focus on one thing, which is going to be my quad. Let me change legs so you can see from this position, this side. So again, I'm trying to pull this band back. I feel like just pull my knee forward. And from here, chest is forward, drop into my lunge, just like that. This band should be tight though, right? So when you drop into your lunge, it's going to loosen up a little bit, but it should be tight. And then from here, driving to the middle of my foot. I'm not trying to get on my toe. I'm trying to get my foot or even the heel. And I'm slowly going down. I'm slowly coming back up to about right here. Not full lockout, right about there, and then back down, slow. And then slowly back up. Give that a try. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment on our channel. But that is a great way to blast your quads for some good quad development. Not bad for